This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Front brake pads renewal. Apply the handbrake, then slacken the front wheel bolts. Jack up the front of the vehicle and support it on axle stands. Remove both front wheels. Use a screwdriver to carefully prise off the caliper retaining spring. Remove the guide pin covers. Use a hex key or bit to undo the caliper guide pins. Lift the caliper and inner pad from the disc and suspend it with a length of wire. Don't let it hang by the brake hose. Pull the inner brake pad from the caliper piston and lift the outer pad from the caliper bracket. Connect a bleed bottle and hose clamp. Use a piston retraction tool to retract the piston. Release the nipple and push the piston back into the caliper using the piston retraction tool. You can use a ratchet clamp as an alternative. Remove the bleed bottle and hose clamp. Clean the pad mounting surfaces with a wire brush and brake cleaner. Apply a little brake lubricant grease to the pad mounting surfaces. Do not use a copper-based grease. Fit the outer pad into the caliper. If your van isn't fitted with a brake pad sensor wiring, you'll need to cut off the wiring before fitting the inner pad to the caliper piston. If it does have wiring, plug the connector in once the pad has been installed. Slide the caliper with the inner pad fitted over the disc and outer pad. Lubricate the upper and lower guide pins before fitting them and tightening them to 32 Newton meters or 22 pounds per foot. Refit the rubber caps. Refit the caliper tension spring, ensuring it is located correctly on the caliper mounting bracket. Depress the brake pedal repeatedly until the pads are pressed into firm contact with the brake disc and normal, non-assisted pedal pressure is restored. Refit the wheels. Then lower the vehicle to the ground. And tighten the wheel nuts to 120 Newton meters or 89 pounds per foot. Check the brake fluid level and top up with the correct grade fluid if necessary.